What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynda J, and today we're going to be talking about these faux locks. I installed these locks about 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half ago, and I just took one out so that I can show you how I installed them. Literally, my hair is so moisturized. I don't know if you can tell. You can't miss it. So moisturized. It's been a little while. Oh, this is my favorite protective style, because my hair just stays moisturized and it grows so well under these faux lock hairstyles. So I might even do this style again when I take these out, but we'll get into that later. So of course, before I play this intro, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and join the family. Join the family. And if you are already a part of the family, then thank you so much for joining me again. Okay, so literally all you need is 3 strings of hair. The hair that I'm using is the Cuban twist. Ooh, I don't remember what the name was, but I'll have it down in the description box below, so that if you want to use the same hair, you can. Feel free, feel whatever, more than welcome to. I used about 7 packs of hair, and these are the last 3 strands of that 7. And I have about, because I know you guys might ask me, so let me just go ahead and count how many locks I have in my head. So I have 32 locks in my hair. If you want to budget well for it, they cost about $5 to $6 per pack. So 6 times, let's just say 7 packs times $6 is what, 42 bucks? That sounds right. I'm not a math whiz, but that sounds about right to me. So it's about 42 bucks to get this done if you're gonna do it yourself. Of course, I did it myself. Saves me money, saves me anxiety. All right. My hair is already well moisturized, and I'll go ahead and play a clip for you so you can see how I moisturize my hair. Now that you've seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my first piece of hair. All right, so I'm not really good at explaining stuff, so hopefully you could just watch me. So I'm gonna take the first strand, boom, hold it like this, and then move 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool, we're done. And I'm gonna hold on to this end of the strand, this end of the strand, and my hair, because this is going to basically serve as the base. I'm going to grab the next strand and loop it around the same direction. 1, 2, wait, where'd you go? 3, and now I'm gonna work my way down. And I'm not doing it tightly because I think that helps to have the locks looking more realistic and thicker. So I'm gonna work my way down. And so now that I'm here, I'm going to grab my last strand, and I'm going to, this is not gonna be easy to explain. I'm gonna go ahead and lift my finger up, hold it right here, pull this down so that it can stay tucked away as I wrap my way down, and then continue in that same direction. All right, and now that I'm here, I'm going to work my way back up. So I'm gonna ravel upward. And I'm gonna stop right here. You're gonna need a lighter. I didn't say that earlier, but you are. And that's it. You can choose to cut off the rest of this, but I don't. I just don't care. Voila, that's it. So fluffy. Ooh. They're not heavy at all. Like literally the same day that I finished them, I was able to flip them around like this and like this. Just whatever I wanted to do. So I was very, very happy about that. Like y'all know them braids that I just took out. Them joints did hurt a little bit. And I know you guys mentioned in my last video where I was talking about how I maintain my hair under my protective style. Somebody asked how I maintain my hair under Faux Locs, and honestly it's the same process. But tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and add Jamaican castor oil throughout my scalp, and I'm gonna spray my hair with I'm not using this spray bottle, but since there's a spray bottle right here, there's gonna be water in it with my leave-in conditioner, which is not within arm's reach, and some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm gonna shake it up, and I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. This ain't what I'm using, but I'm literally just gonna spray the areas where I know my hair is at, just like my braids. There's literally no difference. That's pretty much it as far as maintenance, as far as install. This was the easiest thing ever. I'll probably run to this hairstyle in many different colors before I run to a different hairstyle. It took me about 2 days to finish this because I lollygag. I like to take a nap. I like to eat snacks. I like to read. I like to not finish my hair in 1 day. So it took me 2 days, but I'm literally sure it would have taken anywhere from maybe 4 to 6 hours for me to complete, what did I say, 31, 32 braids or a twist. That would have took no time at all. But of course, you know, I forgot to show you how long these locks are, and they're extremely long, but the length does not interfere with much of anything besides me having to make sure that my butt doesn't get wiped with my hair. So let me stand up, show you how long it is. Okay, so pretty much my butt, like way past my butt if I pull it. Yeah, way past my butt. Ooh, suck your belly in, girl. You get the idea. They're pretty long. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm gonna go. My face is clocking out. I need to wash this off, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I just thought to let you know. Swear to God, you beautiful.